Hi, Guru Guruvar. You would have received two messages from me stating that my video will be up tomorrow. Well, that's the after effect of staying in this COVID situation. One doesn't understand whether it's a Tuesday, Wednesday or a Thursday. Since my videos are up usually on Thursdays, I thought it was Wednesday and I sent this particular message to you. Little did I realize that it was Tuesday. Well, anyways, that's the fun part of it. My name is Rajesh Attangadi and I am going to take forward the frequently asked questions and I am going to answer them one by one. To know which is the most frequently asked question, you need to stay with me for the entire video. Many of you have asked, how much does a normal COVID claim come to? As per the government directives, the test usually will cost you somewhere around 4,500 to around 5,000 rupees per test. And the ventilators in a private hospital will usually be charged at around 25,000 to 30,000 rupees per day. It is 25,000 to 30,000 rupees for a ventilator per day. That effectively turns out to be 3.5 lakhs to 4 lakh rupees for a 14 days of stay in an hospital. Many of you have asked, do I need to take an additional COVID specific policy? The answer is no. One need not go in for an additional COVID health insurance policy since your existing policy will be taking care of these claims. However, do look at your existing health insurance and I would suggest do go in for a little bit of a top up, or as and when the renewal comes in, do increase your sum insured. Since all of us have a vehicle, many of us forgot to renew the car insurance or the vehicle insurance. Many of you have asked me whether I can renew it. I forgot to renew my car insurance or my vehicle insurance, and whether I can renew it now. Will I lose my no claim bonuses and will it entail inspection for the same? Well, in normal circumstances, the vehicle insurance, in case if it is not renewed on time, does involve an inspection of the vehicle. Since most of the vehicles are under the lockdown situation, that means they are not moving from one place to another. The general insurance company has waived off this inspection clause and they would be issuing you the renewal as per normal policy. The no claim bonus doesn't get affected in this particular case as an exception. Many of the entrepreneurs have asked me whether the office insurance and the factory insurance that they have taken, will it get extended since the office and the factory did not operate for the last few months. Will the insurance get extended? The answer is no, it will not get extended. The insurance is given for a specific time and will have to be renewed as per the renewal date only. Will the loss of income be covered in certain general insurance policies? The answer is no. The loss of income due to COVID will not be covered under the general insurance policies that one would have taken. How does one admit oneself if we find ourselves corona positive? As per the guidelines, we have been given toll-free numbers by the respective municipalities. We need to inform them and they are the ones who will tell you which are the hospitals that have been designated specifically for corona patients. Some of you have asked me whether the entire claim, whether the entire expenses related to COVID, will it be paid through the health insurance? The answer is yes and no. There are certain components in the claim which are not admissible. For example, PPE, that is personal protection equipments, gloves, mask, all of these expenses will not be paid in the claim towards COVID. And now, the most frequently asked question, what is it? Is my existing health insurance covering COVID-19 specific illnesses? There were a lot of articles in the newspaper and in the media which were sending out contradictory statements. So let me put everything to rest. As per the IRDA guidelines and the policy wordings, any ailment or any claim resulting out of viral infection, I repeat, any claim resulting out of viral infection is admissible under the claims under your health insurance. It effectively means that your existing health insurance policy will cover you towards the COVID related claims. However, Do look at the sum insured in case if it is close to around 5 lakh rupees, or maybe it's a family floater of around 5 lakhs to 10 lakh rupees. Do look at topping up your health insurance policy. That is the need of the hour. One needs to either top up or at renewal increase your sum insured substantially. I'm sure you like the content that we presented today. Do give it a like, subscribe, as well as press the bell icon. Do share and enlighten your friends and everyone in your circle as well. In case if you want your questions to be answered, do write to us on the numbers that are getting flashed on the screen right now or in the comments box below. What are we going to take next Thursday? I'm going to talk on NCB on motor vehicle insurance, no claim bonus on motor vehicle insurances. What am I going to take up specifically? Well, you need to stay tuned till the next Thursday for the Guru Guruvar series. Guru Guruvar.